Hello there, this is Mr. Clark. Um, so tomorrow we're having another snow day. Hope you guys are enjoying the snow. And I'm going to let you know what's happening with this assignment. So here's a snow day assignment. I didn't actually post it yet, but by the time you see this, I will have posted it. Um, you're going to have three Khan Academy assignments. And then also this one down here, some of you didn't finish this. Some of you did. You need to finish it. So you need to do this. Okay, so let's go over the Khan Academy. So you're going to have these three assignments. First one is identifying transformations. Let's take a look. Okay, so what kind of transformation is this? Well, let's see here. Now there's different kinds of transformations. Let's look at the kinds. There is a translation right here. It slides, right? Slides over. You notice the shape is in the same position. It just went someplace else, like sliding over, not flipping, not rotating. So that's a translation. The reflection, it goes across a line. Everything reflects like it's like a mirror. All right, or a flip, as you might have called it before. That's the reflection. Rotation is where everything goes around like a clock. You could go clockwise or counterclockwise, but it goes around like that. Twists. So that's the rotation. Dilation, we didn't really go over this one because we're doing rigid transformations, which are ones that preserve the size and the shape of the object. This one, the shape gets larger or smaller. It has the same angles, but that's a dilation. So on this one right here, we know that's a dilation because those are different sized. So I'm going to just go hit that one. Dilation. Okay. Oh, I got hints. It shows. Oh, I got hints on this last time. This is the second video I tried to make. Okay, so it shows that it increases its size. That's dilation. If you get a hint. All right. Okay, so what's going on here? So it went from A to B. How did it get there? Now, if you don't know, you can get a hint. So when you get a hint, you won't get credit for this problem. But there's only 4 problems, so you go back and you do it again. You're not going to just do this once. I mean, if you get 100 the first time, you do it once. But if you get 50, you go back and you do it again. If you get 75, you do it again. Right, until you get 100. Because there's only 4 problems. And these certainly don't take a long time. So, you get a hint. What is this? I don't know what this is. Which one is it? So you get a hint. All right. There was a video you could watch it too. So it explains things. Okay. All right. Well, let's take a look. Oh, here's a picture. It shows everything slides to the right and then up a little bit, right? So what's that one? That is a translation because it's just a slide like this. Like where is that? Right here. It's the one that just kind of slides over. It's translation. All right. And I want to see if I get that one. Yeah. Okay. And then I got one more. And then you can go on, keep going from that. All right. So there's how you do that. And then what else do we have? So then we have determined reflections. I like this one. I like putting this line in here. See, so this is reflected. A, B, C goes to A prime, C prime, B prime. So it's reflected over a line. Where does the line go? I'm going to put it right. Does it go across there? No, it's close. Here. And the way I know that this is where it goes is because look at C and C prime. C is 1, 2, 3 spaces. We get the pencil out here. So you go 1. Oops. Get the pencil going. Maybe that's not going to work with this. Okay. But it's 3 spaces up and then 3 down. So that's the line. Now, if you don't know, you get a hint. Hopefully it shows you. Oh, yeah. It shows you that, like, this is what I just explained. The points have to be the same distance from the line, or in R prime, you see are reflected over that line. What else do we have? It shows here, right? And A prime reflected across that, for example. You don't have to worry about this stuff up here right now, the math calculations. All right, and then it shows you the line. So that's where I put it right there. Right? So all these points are the same, like B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B prime 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the line, right? They're all the same distance from the line. All right. Let's take a look at one more. Oh, this one's a little tricky. Now, where's the place that's between B prime and B? Well, it would be right here. Right? And then this is interesting because it kind of flips over, it kind of crosses over itself here. So you know that's there, right? Right in the middle of C and C prime. So that's going to be it. Look at this line's right in the middle of A and A prime. There we go. Check it. Okay, good. So that's how you do that. All right, third one. Congruence and transformations. Okay, so look at this one. Okay, so now this has something that says, Helena was curious if quadrilateral QRST and XYZW were congruent. So she tried to map one figure onto another using transformations. Okay, it looks like she did, okay, she went over to here. So you're moving this one to here. So she did a rotation, right? And then a reflection. Okay, so she said it's not possible to map the first one on the second one, so the quadrilaterals are not congruent. And I can see right now that you see this point. If you reflect this right here is going to go back up to here, really. So it's not going to be the same. See how this, if you reflect this, it's going to end up going across to here. That's not where Y is, right? That can't be the same spot. So this is it. There is no error. This is a correct conclusion. All right, so she's correct. Okay, let's take a look at another one. Oh, this is interesting. So this guy again, he checked it out. He concluded it's not possible to map ABC on GFEH. So they're using a sequence of rigid transformations, which preserve the size, the shape. So they're not congruent, but it looks like they are to me. It looks like he did a little translation over here, and then it went up, and then a reflection. Looks pretty nice. So one more transformation. Okay. So he did. Okay, so he just did two. He didn't do the reflection. So if he did one more, so that's where he left it, right? If he did one more, if he did a reflection, so it would go right across a bet, go right across. So they are congruent. What happened there? Hit it. Okay, so let me just look at one more. So let's say, I don't know what the heck's going on here. Let's say you don't know what's happening and you read the question and you're confused. Of course, you get a hint, right? Okay, so it gives you a little explanation there. It shows you this. So what he did, it shows what happened here. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Okay, so I was able to map. He said he did a sequence of rigid transformations. Yeah, I don't know exactly what he did here. So it wasn't correct what he did. So that would be A on that one. I'm not sure what he tried to do on that one. So but here's one. It shows a rotation. Okay, so this one's obviously the most challenging one, but you know that you only have 3 of these, so you got a little bit of time. All right, so that's pretty much it for that. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be on the Zoom. What did I say? 1 o'clock. I'll have it posted on the time on the instructions. So, all right. Hope you guys have a good day.